So this question is on the topic of external audit and particularly picks up on what the key benefits of having an audit are, and in this case it's asking us to identify which are not a potential benefit. So again, another kind of wordy question where we need to work through all of the potential answers to try and distinguish, in this case, which one is incorrect. So the main idea of an audit is that the auditor will be able to form an opinion as to whether the financial statements give a true and fair view. But there are other benefits to be gained. So if we look at these answers here, it says additional assurance may be necessary for third parties, e.g. banks. And yes, there is a definite benefit to be gained from having an audit, that external users of the financial statements are aware that they have been subject to a greater degree of scrutiny. Then goes on to say that the auditor may be able to give constructive advice to management on improvements needed for controls. And again, yes, that is indeed true. As an auditor, when we are reviewing the records, if we spot that there are some problems with the records at the moment, it would be prudent for us to then make recommendations to management. And so yes, that would also be true. The third answer is that fraud will be uncovered and identified by the auditors. Now, fraud is a key topic, and a common misconception is that auditors will identify fraud, but in actual fact that is not a requirement of what the auditor is there to do. And although if identified they would of course let management know, identifying fraud is not an objective, and so this would appear to be the answer in this case, but we will just check the final one, which says that it provides an independent scrutiny of the business by experts, which yes, of course, should be true. And so in this case, the correct answer here would be the third option, that relating to fraud.